Forget everything you thought you knew about e-commerce. Seriously. By 2026, the entire game is going to be different. We're talking about AI-driven stores that know what you want before you do, and logistics so seamless they feel like magic. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint to build a high-income career in this brand new world, even if you are starting from absolute zero today.
First up, let's just talk about the sheer scale of this. By 2026, the global e-commerce market is projected to blow past $8 trillion. Now that's not just a big number, that's a tidal wave of opportunity. And the best part, you don't need a huge company behind you. You just need the right skills to ride that wave.
I mean, just look at this jump. We're not talking about slow and steady growth here. This is a $2 trillion leap in just a couple of years. Every single business, from the local shop on the corner to the global giants, is desperately looking for people who can handle this explosion. And here's the kicker. AI automation isn't just making things faster. It's creating entirely new jobs that put you in the driver's seat.
So here's our game plan. We've seen the massive opportunity. Now we're going to walk through how to choose your path, master the must-have tools, build a digital CV that actually gets you noticed, and then launch your career. And we'll wrap it all up by unlocking your ultimate secret weapon, the AI advantage.
All right, first things first. E-commerce isn't just one single job. It's a whole ecosystem of different roles. The real key to success is finding the path that clicks with your own natural strengths and, what you actually enjoy doing.
Think of this as your menu of options. Are you a big picture thinker? The e-commerce manager role could be your command center. Do you love digging into data and finding patterns? You're probably a natural data analyst or a paid ad specialist. Are you super meticulous? Somebody who loves getting the details just right. Product listing and SEO is your jam. And then, of course, there's the future, the AI automation specialist, the person literally building the smart engines that will run the businesses of tomorrow. Okay, so once you've got a path in mind, it's time to build your toolkit. These are the absolute non-negotiables, the skills and platforms that are going to get you hired in 2026.
But hey, before we get to all the flashy AI stuff, a quick heads up because this is really important. AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, but it's not a magic wand. You absolutely must understand the fundamentals first. This right here is your foundation. Think of Shopify as your digital storefront. Google and TikTok ads, those are your billboards on the internet highway. SEO is how you get that prime shelf space, and Google Analytics, well, that's your cash register, telling you exactly what's working and what's not. You master these, and you're ready for anything. Okay. Once that foundation is solid, now it's time to unlock your superpower. See, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you 10 times more productive, 10 times more creative, and frankly, 10 times more valuable.
And this is what your modern toolkit looks like. For all the content and creative work, like writing killer product descriptions or generating amazing ad images, you've got tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Then, to make everything run like clockwork in the background, you've got automation powerhouses like Zapier and Make.com. Mastering these is what separates the pros from the amateurs in 2026, for sure.
So you're learning the skills. Awesome. But how do you prove you've got them when you don't have a job yet? This is where we stop talking and start doing. You're going to build a portfolio, a digital CV that does all the talking for you.
And the secret weapon for building this portfolio is treating AI like your own personal mentor. It is the ultimate shortcut. It can teach you things, brainstorm ideas with you, and help you get stuff done just like a senior manager would. I mean, imagine having an expert on call 24/7 who never gets tired of your questions. That's what this is. Think about how powerful this is. You can go to an AI tool with a prompt just like this, and it won't just spit out a few ideas. No, it'll give you target audiences, ad copy, budget recommendations, the whole campaign structure. You can learn from it, turn it into a mock project, and add that project straight to your portfolio.
And this works for everything. Want to learn Shopify? Just ask for a step-by-step guide. Need to practice your SEO skills? Give it a product and tell it to optimize the listing. You can basically simulate any task you'd face in a real e-commerce job, building both your confidence and your skill set at the exact same time.
So the goal here is to turn these AI-powered lessons into actual, tangible projects. Go build a sample store, create a few mock ad campaigns, generate some product videos using AI. Every single project you finish becomes another piece of hard evidence for your digital CV. It proves to employers that you don't just know the theory, you can actually deliver the goods.
All right, you've got the skills, you've got the portfolio to prove it. Now, let's get to the fun part, launching your career and actually getting paid.
And you don't have to jump straight into a big, full-time senior role. The smartest way to start is to just get your foot in the door.
Freelance sites like Upwork are perfect for this. You can offer small, specialized services like I'll optimize 5 product listings or I'll set up 1 ad campaign. You start small, get amazing reviews, build your reputation, and then you scale up fast. And yeah, the income potential is pretty serious. As a beginner just doing part-time gigs, you can start making a solid side income right away. As you move into intermediate roles, that easily becomes a full-time living. And for senior specialists and top freelancers, hitting 5 figures a month is totally achievable. The best part? With AI tools helping you work faster and smarter, you could scale your client load and your income way faster than ever before.
Okay, let's tie this all together. I want to really hammer home why mastering AI isn't just a nice-to-have skill. It is the one thing that will define who wins and who loses in e-commerce from 2026 on.
In today's e-commerce world, AI is basically the central operating system. It's the brain writing the product copy, it's the strategist optimizing the ad spend, and it's the logistician forecasting demand. AI isn't just some other tool, it's literally woven into the fabric of the business.
So the bottom line is this: mastering these AI tools gives you an almost unfair advantage. You won't just be faster, you'll be smarter. You'll provide a level of strategic value that other people just can't compete with. This is the single biggest lever you can pull for your career right now.
Look, e-commerce is one of the fastest growing and most rewarding career paths out there for 2026. With AI as your co-pilot, you can learn the skills, build a killer portfolio, and start earning real money faster than any generation before you. The time to start is right now.
The blueprint is in your hands. That $8 trillion opportunity is waiting. The only real question left is, are you ready to build?